Today I'm going to teach you my secret method for delicious and easy air fryer chicken wings. Serve these wings with my creamy Wingstop ranch using basic pantry items. We want to get started with 2 pounds of chicken wings, and for my method, it's inspired by an influencer called WishBone Kitchen. She's a professional chef, and I've modified the method for the air fryer. So all I do is I dry out all of my chicken wings the night before. So I pat them dry, I add them to a drying rack, salt them, and then leave them in the fridge overnight so the skin dries out completely and it doesn't require any type of flour. The wings just stay nice and crispy. We're gonna get started on our seasoning. So I like to add a little bit of avocado oil because these are dry rub, so it helps the seasoning stick on here. I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning. These are going to be Cajun style. Some Old Bay seasoning, lots of it. Smoked paprika. Black pepper. Garlic salt. And then you're going to mix this all together so the seasoning gets all over your wings. You're going to want to do this twice. So I'm adding a little bit more oil. Then lots more Cajun seasoning and Old Bay seasoning. Making sure you mix this all together again. You really want to do this twice because you want your wings to be super flavorful and having all that seasoning coated evenly. So we're going to want to start adding these to our air fryer rack to get started on the cooking process. I'm going to add about 6 or 7 wings max. What I've found is it's better that you don't overcrowd your wings. That way they have enough space to cook and stay juicy and, create a nice crispy texture on the outside. So don't overcrowd your air fryer rack. Then you're going to add this to your air fryer at 370 for 15 minutes. I like to keep these on the lower end just because I want these to stay juicy and I don't want to dry them out. So midway through the cooking process, you're going to want to flip your wings so that way they cook on both sides. Then add them back to your air fryer for the remaining time. They're going to stay super juicy and are going to get finished off at 400. Then I'm going to add my first batch to a drying rack. That way they can stay nice and crispy while I cook this other batch that I have. Now I'm going to add all of my wings together and finish them off at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Now we're going to get started on our ranch. So I have some mayonnaise here. Then you want some buttermilk, lots of ranch seasoning, a little bit of black pepper. Mix this all together. I like my ranch a lot more on the creamy side, but if you want to thin it out just a little bit, you can add a little bit of water to it. The wings came out super crispy. The nice thing about this recipe too is that you can just repurpose the method for any type of style wing that you'd like. So lemon pepper, garlic parmesan. Serve these up with that creamy ranch dip, carrot sticks, and celery sticks, and they are super crispy and juicy. The recipe is going to be in the description below. Comment below if you're looking forward to trying out this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe for new recipes every week.